Hello everyone, my name is Valeria Gomez and in this presentation I will explain the main results of my software testing project. This project includes the analysis of software development concepts, the design of a test plan, a test case, and the documentation of the application trial user and technical manual. I reviewed the main phases of the software development lifecycle. These phases are requirement analysis, design, implementation, and unit testing, integration and system testing, and operation and maintenance. Each phase is important because it helps ensure that the software is developed in an organized and effective way. Documentation, artifacts, and testing concepts. I also study important documentation artifacts used in software projects, such as use cases, user stories, backlog, test plans, test cases, user manuals, and technical manuals. Additionally, I review software testing concepts, including the roles in the testing process and types of testing such as functional, non-functional, guild testing, and integrity testing. Software testing is important because it verifies that the system works correctly and meets user requirements. Phase 2. Select application. For phase 2, I select the application called Terminal de Transporte de la Ciudad Jardín. This is a web-based application that allows users to view transport service, create an icon, login, request bus service to different cities in Colombia, and send parcels. The purpose of testing this application was to verify that it works correctly and identify possible errors. The test plan focused on important features such as user login, function model, database stores, error handling, and usability. The testing approach used black box testing, boundary value testing, and error guessing test techniques. A test was considered so fails if the software could login and perform actions according to their assigned roles. This is an example. In this example, the case ID user login 001 objective is verified. User can log in with valid credentials. A precondition user must be registered. State open application, enter username and password, click login, expect results, user login successful and access system badge one role. Status pass. Phase 3, user manual. In phase 3, I developed a user manual for sketchpads. This application is a web-based drawing tool that allows users to create sketches and illustrations directly from the browser. The manual explains system requirements, how to access the application. Its main functions, such as dragging, color selection, saving files, and troubleshooting common problems. I also create a technical manual for Escape page. This manual explains the technical structure of the application, including its architecture, technologies used such as HTML5, Canvas, and TypeScript, local file stores, and maintenance guidelines. It also describes that the application doesn't know user at server, database, or external APIs. In conclusion, this project helped me understand the importance of software documentation and testing in software development. Testing helps identify errors, improve software quality, and ensure that the system meets user needs. Documentation is also essential because it helps both users and developers understand and use the system correctly. Thank you for your attention.